Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to go over how you can download and install Microsoft PowerPoint at no cost. Let's get started. I'll show you two methods for doing this. And the first one involves using the Microsoft Store. Start by clicking on the search icon at the bottom of your screen, which looks like a magnifying glass. This will open the search box. Type Microsoft into the search bar to open the Microsoft Store, which will appear in the best match results. Once the Microsoft Store is open, head to the search box at the top and type in Office 365, then hit Enter. You'll see a list of results, and you should look for Microsoft 365 Office. This version is completely free. While some of the other plans listed are paid, this particular one doesn't cost anything. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see that I've already installed it, but if this is your first time, you'll see a blue Get button. Just click on it, and the download will begin, installing Office on your computer. If you don't see it in the Microsoft Store, or prefer to try another method, you can also do this through a web browser.